Here's how you can do it easily. First, open FL Studio on your computer and load the project you want to work on during your stream. Next, launch OBS Studio. Once it opens, go to the Sources panel and click the plus icon. Now, select Window Capture and create a new source. From the window list, choose FL Studio, then click OK. Your FL Studio workspace should now appear in the OBS preview window. Next, make sure OBS is capturing your audio. In the audio mixer, check that desktop audio is enabled. Now, connect OBS to Twitch. In OBS, click Settings, then select Stream from the left menu. Under Service, choose Twitch. Then, either sign into your Twitch account or paste your stream key from your Twitch Creator dashboard. Click Apply, then OK to save your settings. Before going live, you can add a microphone, webcam, or stream overlays by clicking the plus icon in the Sources panel and selecting the items you want to include. Once everything is ready, click Start Streaming in the bottom right corner of OBS. OBS will now broadcast your FL Studio session live to Twitch. And that's it. You've successfully set up FL Studio for Twitch streaming using OBS.